It has been 1 year since we came to Canada, and this is our unfiltered experience. एक साल पहले हम 6 सूटकेस में अपनी लाइफ को पैक करके इंडिया से कनाडा आए. Looking back, it just feels like yesterday when the journey began, filled with hopes, dreams and uncertainty. जब हम आए थे तो सब कुछ बहुत अच्छा लग रहा था. हर चीज नई थी. It was a very fresh kind of a feeling. After all, it was a dream which has finally become a reality. Excitement भी उतनी थी, which kept us going. But this feeling was short-lived and we entered the next phase. फर्स्ट फ्यू डेज लाइफ के इतने बड़े चेंज को सिंक इन करने के बाद शुरू हुई हमारी स्ट्रगल. सबसे पहले एयरबीएनबी से अपने रेंटेड अपार्टमेंट में शिफ्ट हुआ और यहाँ आके पता चला कि अपार्टमेंट रेंट करने के लिए यू जस्ट डोंट नीड अ गुड फैट डिपॉजिट, बट एट द सेम टाइम क्रेडिट स्कोर इज ऑल्सो चेक बाय द लैंडलॉर्ड्स. अब हमें आए 10 दिन भी नहीं हुए थे और हमसे मांगा जा रहा था क्रेडिट स्कोर. व्हाट अ जोक. द लॉजिकल रीजन बिहाइंड दिस वाज हाउसिंग क्राइसिस. A large number of immigrants, refugees, students, asylum seekers had come to Canada, and there is a dearth of housing facility which has made the prices skyrocket and the eligibility criteria has been pushed. इसी बीच काजल को जॉब मिल गई, which was a big relief. Job offer और इंडिया का क्रेडिट स्कोर दिखा के we proved our credibility and we were able to rent a condo after convincing a landlord a lot. But Canada is a very expensive country. यहाँ एक decent life के लिए दोनों partners को एक अच्छी job मिलना बहुत जरूरी. Gone are the days when people were able to survive on minimum wages. So getting a job and that too quickly was of utmost importance to me. When I was coming here, I was aware कि job मिलना थोड़ा मुश्किल हो सकता है and I was mentally prepared for it. पर इतना मुश्किल होगा, I never knew. I was completely unaware. Housing crisis appeared to be a very small issue in front of the job crisis. इसके लिए क्या क्या करना पड़ा, मैं क्या ही बताऊं. डिटेल्स जानना है तो comment and let me know. We'll reserve the story for some other day. Coming back, job opportunities थोड़े कम थे, but साथ ही साथ भर के layoffs हो रहे थे मार्केट में. बड़ा ही बुरा हाल था. I know some people who are struggling to find a job in the field for more than a year now. और जॉब्स में जैसे तैसे सर्वाइव कर रहे हैं लोग. कैचेस सर्वाइवल जॉब्स भी मिलना बहुत ही मुश्किल हो गया था. ब्रैम्पटन वाला वीडियो तो आपने देखा ही होगा. The struggle is indeed true. Situation was getting tough day by day. जिस भी नए इमिग्रेंट से बात करो वो वापस होम कंट्री जाने की बात कर रहा था. This was very demotivating.
People are fleeing Canada.
More immigrants are choosing to leave the country, according to a new report by the Institute for Canadian Citizenship.
Canada may now have an issue retaining recent arrivals.
But our mind was clear and we were ready to enter the next phase. It took me nearly 111 days to find a job. वहाँ से लाइफ धीरे धीरे ट्रैक पर आती दिखाई देने लगी. देखते देखते 6 महीने बीत गए and we had gotten somewhat comfortable by this time. But comfortable, my friends, is a very risky place to be. Growth के लिए अभी बहुत कुछ करना बाकी था. That was a time that I decided to take a 6 months break and work on myself and my career. To enhance my experience, I completed 4 certifications this year. And that was the reason why we were away for such a long time. Many thanks to all of you who kept on checking as to when our next video is coming. Thank you for your love and support. And that is the reason we love creating content for you. Now that was our journey. अब बात करते हैं about our unfiltered opinion about Canada after spending 1 year in this country. सबसे पहले things that I don't like about Canada. यहाँ काम बहुत ज्यादा करना पड़ता है. From cooking to cleaning, from laundry to ironing, झाड़ू पोछा सब कुछ. Now for someone who's not used to doing everything on his own, this is a little too much. But this is a part of the Western culture and we have made peace with it. Technology. चीजें स्लो हैं यहाँ. जैसे अगर किसी को पैसे भेजने, it takes some time for the payment to go through. अब जो इंडिया से UPI करके आया है, for them it is just unacceptable where things happen such instantaneously. And this was just an example. ऐसे बहुत सारी चीजें हैं. तो technology wise I believe बहुत scope है यहाँ for improvement. Return of goods. Good thing, almost everything comes with a return policy. But the bad thing, if you need to return it, you need to return it yourself. कोई घर पे पिकअप करने नहीं आएगा. जैसे Amazon से कुछ ऑर्डर किया और आपको आगे जाके वो पसंद नहीं आया and you need to return it, you need to do it yourself. उसको पैक करो and then go back to the post it. And many times you need to pay the postal charges as well. Now, this is something I really job opportunities. Yes, that's correct. You heard it right. Believe me or not, jobs की कमी तो है. One just cannot deny it. Canada की economy is not as big as the US or other places. To secure a good job, there is massive competition. Patience and perseverance से situation से tackle किया जा सकता है और successful होके निकला जा सकता है. One learning that I had from this particular situation कि ये आपको आपका best version बना सकता है. If you work on yourself, because the competition is so steep and you want to survive in this kind of environment, this will definitely make you the best version of yourself. Inflation. हमें आए 1 साल भी नहीं हुआ है and we can truly see the difference. Things have really gotten very expensive. So for example, मजे की बात, when we came तो 1 kilo onion was just $10. लेकिन आज की डेट में the same pack of red onions is $16. Just a small example, but this truly says कि prices बहुत ज़्यादा skyrocket हुए हैं. Rents are continuing to go up. Government is trying to bring in some reforms, but situation अभी के हिसाब से थोड़ा out of control हो जा चुका है. Hopefully, things might better soon in the near future. Prices are not the same for the same item in different stores. Lays का पैकेट जो कि $3 में मिलता है in Walmart, वो किसी और स्टोर में $2 का भी मिल सकता है. And the prices vary a lot from store to store. Now with experience we have figured out कि कौन सा सामान कहाँ से लेना है. But initially तो हमें बहुत दिक्कत हुई थी इस चीज को लेकर. To curb this situation, we had used a app Flip, जो कि प्राइसेस कंपेयर कर देता है बिटवीन डिफरेंट स्टोर्स फॉर द सेम आइटम. सो उससे एक आइडिया लग जाता है. बट इवेंचुअली आपके पास उतना टाइम नहीं होता कि आप प्राइसेस कंपेयर करके एक आइटम लो. सो प्राइसेस जो डिफरेंट वेरी करती है फ्रॉम स्टोर टू स्टोर, थोड़ा सा अलग लगा था. इंक्रीज इन क्राइम रेट, कार थेफ्ट and petty crimes have increased drastically. और इसका flip side में effect that it had was on insurance. Insurance have also gone high for cars and for other items. Now comes the turn of what we love about Canada. First being work-life balance. The biggest perk I would say is for a working professional. यहाँ working hours और break को बहुत seriously लिया जाता है. Nobody, and I mean nobody, expects you to work beyond the working hours. और अगर ज़्यादा काम हुआ तो overtime भी मिलती है. Dignity of labor is respected a lot. Now this leaves us with lot of personal time to enjoy and focus on ourselves. और summers में शाम भी रात के 9 बजे तक होता है. So after all your work is done, your chores are done for the day, you still find time for yourself, and that I believe is a very wonderful feeling. Noise pollution and traffic situation. Honk सुने हुए सच में बहुत time हो गया है. Traffic है यहाँ पे, but not as compared to back home. और rules भी पूरे follow. This also helps with our mental health और बहुत ही peaceful feel होता है यहाँ. One more thing I would like to add here is the air quality, and that, my friends, is fantastic. एक बार शाम में निकल जाओ बाहर और just balcony में निकल जाओ and you feel so fresh. That is a wonderful feeling. Variety of authentic cuisines to enjoy. Multicultural होने के कारण we get to enjoy cuisines from all around the world. And that too authentic. And for a foodie like me, that is a plus. I've learned to cook so many dishes which I was not even aware back home. My most favorite dish जो मैंने घर पर भी बनाया था वो था मकलूबा. This is an Arabic dish. कुछ तो बना है. Small things of happiness. Making friends and blending with people from different cultures, that adds to my perspective and a vision of the world that I live in. नई चीजें पता चलती. It's an experience in itself. I would say it is not always pleasant, पर लोगों के साथ कैसे behave करना है, कैसे रहना है in a multicultural society. So overall, time has a way of molding us into versions of ourselves that we ourselves never thought was possible. As I reflect about the journey over the past year, I'm grateful for the lessons learned and the resilience found within. Cheers to 1 year of growth and the possibilities that lie ahead. So मिलते हैं आपसे अगले वीडियो में. Until then, keep working hard towards your dream because it's your time to shine. Bye bye.